Now we found this can. He's still in there. Dumped on the side of the road, and we believe there's a little creature in it trapped. And we want to make a short video to show how nature can suffer. It's difficult. It's not proper. The poor thing is probably perished with fear at the moment. Because he doesn't know what's happening. He's totally terrified. And we're going to get him out of this red stripe can that was just...
Red Bull.
And I can hear him squeaking in there. Okay. We're hoping it's not a rodent, but it doesn't matter if it is a rodent. It sounds like a little bird to me. So here we go. Now. Oh, it's a little mouse.
It is a mouse.
Oh,
I told you.
No, it's a little shrew.
Shrew. Oh.
Shrew.
Shrew.
The poor thing is
It
absolutely...
still suffered. Donna.
He's terrified. Now, come on.
We'll give him something to eat, maybe.
Leave him a little... Here, show him to me. This poor creature was stuck in that bloody can because some idiot thought it was clever to throw it into the hedges, and he's terrified now, and is probably going to die eventually here because he's exhausted, terrified, and doesn't know what to do. So oh jeez, it looks like he's gone into the house, into the wall.
Yeah.
But that's okay, he's gone into the wall. He'll come out of there eventually.